Hello kids, welcome to my channel Chiku Kids. Wow, there's many colors. Today we learn colors and alphabets A to Z alphabets. Let's start. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Pink color, white color, brown color, orange color, black color, pink color, cyan color, blue color, light blue color, light green color, dark green color, purple color, red color, yellow color. Wow! Let's start. A. Red color. A for apple. Wow, apple. B for broccoli, green color. Wow. C for car, blue color. D for donuts, yellow color. E for elephant, brown color. F for fish, purple color. G for grapes, green color. H for horse, yellow color. I for ice cream, pink color. J for juice, red color. K for kite, pink color. L for lemon, yellow color. M for monkey, light green color. N for nuts, purple color. O for orange color. P for parrot, color. Q for queen, pink color. R for rose, light pink color. S for sun, yellow color. T for train, blue color. U for umbrella, pink color. V for van, cyan color. W for watermelon, red color. X for xylophone, green color. Y for yak, brown color. Z for zebra, black color. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Kids, let's learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.